Welcome back, guys. Quality Performance. We saved you the boring part of taping off this head, but we've already got the head taped off. I've put a couple coats on it. I need to put a few more on it as well. We've got the calipers over here, get a few more coats to go on these things. But they're pretty much started. The engine enamel lays on pretty good. You don't have to worry about runs as much as you do with other paints. But these are coming along nicely. I've got a bunch of other stuff I'm painting up, some in-engine parts. So we'll get those all freshened up and looking good. We're actually gonna cut to Steve doing the gapping on the piston rings.
So show us what you're doing right here, man. Explain the audience.
So we have, so Josey bought a complete bottom end and full bottom end, like rotating assembly, pistons, connecting rods, rings, all that stuff from this guy in Virginia. So what we're doing is going through and checking the ring gap because we picked up only the block from the machine shop from the previous owner, and he had everything in boxes, like ordered brand new for it. So we're just going through and we're checking the measurements of our ring gap here. If you can see the split between the two rings. We're checking that to the Toyota spec from our manual, and we're going slightly larger because Josey kind of wants to lower the compression a little bit so he can run more boost. But other than that, you know, it's fairly simple. You put your ring down in and level it out with your piston, and you take your feelers gauges, and they come in all different sizes, you know, 0.15, 0.16. The Toyota spec for the manual is 0.11 to 0.17. So Josey wants to be around that 0.18 to 0.20 range. So that's what we're doing.
Hey guys, welcome back. Quality Performance. This is going to be our project for next time. We've got all of the engine bay parts. We're going to clean and refurbish those up. I'm going to take you over here to Carlos, and he's going to tell you what all we got done today. So tell us a little bit what we got done today on the block, Carlos.
So as you saw, Scuba Steve got all the rings done for each cylinder. They got them gapped and ready to go.
Scuba Steve, you did a great job.
And yeah, we got some other parts that we got, you know, painted up and cleaned up over here. You see the calipers have been sprayed down, sand down, looking nice, ready to install. But obviously, we're gonna get new lines. Not gonna keep those, but you see we got the braided lines right here that we're gonna be using. And that will be it for today's video, guys. Make sure y'all like, make, comment, subscribe, and check out our Instagram page at Koala-Tee Performance. And that's it for today's video, guys.